All right, it's an exciting day on the homestead today. We are actually getting a couple of new animals today. Said we are getting new animals today on the homestead, and I'm gonna let the kids guess and see if they know what we're bringing home. Daddy is currently en route with one of them, and he's on his way home, so we are gonna see here shortly. All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, Colvin, what's your guess?
Bull.
A bull? Okay. Clementine, what's your guess? What animal do you think we're bringing home?
Pig.
A pig? Claxton, what do you think, what animal do you think we're going to bring home today?
Bull.
A bull? Coraline already knows, so she's not allowed to take a guess. That's their guess, but like I said, we're getting two types of animals today, so we'll see. Before we welcome those animals to our homestead, let's take a little tour and see what animals we have currently in our homestead right now. All right, I'm gonna let the kids take the lead on this tour, and they can tell you what animals we have and why we have them. When it comes to homesteading, it's way more than a lifestyle, it's a mindset. In its simplest form, it means living more self-sufficiently. And there's many ways to do that, whether you're gardening, preserving food, or growing your own animals. So here's a little look at to what animals we have on our homestead currently and why we have them.
We got a bunch of laying hens and 2 roosters. We got 2 more of these that's gonna grow up and be hens so we can have more eggs. These are my goats. They're Nigerian dwarfs. And I got them for milking, but they're not ready yet. They're still babies. This is our mini Jersey cow. She's 7 months old, and she's the baby of our family dairy cow, and hopefully someday she'll give us some milk. But don't be big. You're big.
Now, the last animal we have on our homestead is the star of the show. If I had to pick one animal to have on a homestead, it'd be this girl right here. This is our dairy cow. She's a mid-sized mini, coming in at 42 inches tall, so she hits that mark where she's about an inch taller to be considered a mini. Clarabelle. And she's the sweetest girl. Yeah. And she's who birthed Clancy, and she's been in milk since November. And she is part of the reason why one of our animals is coming here today. So there's a hint.
Oh my God.
All right, our next animal that we welcome to our homestead today is actually going to not be permanently living here. So the animal is here for a visit. So if you haven't guessed, told you it was going to be for our girl Clarabelle. So, that being said, Clarabelle has got a boyfriend.